I'm going to show you how to switch from this harsh background to this much better looking and easier on the eyes background, which is dark blue. This was recently released with Fusion 360 and it's really easy to do. So from your main page, you're going to head up to this little silhouette and you're going to say Preferences. Under Preferences, there's now a theme button where you can choose a few different things. Fusion is going to get rid of the Fusion Classic theme, so we're going to be left with the Match Device theme, light gray, and dark blue. So we'll click dark blue and say Apply. That didn't do exactly what we expected because this background is still white. And if that happens, all you're going to do is click on this little screen down here, go to your environment, and say Theme. And then it'll bring it back to that. Now, if you want to go back and change it, another new option is the light gray, which basically looks like the original Fusion 360 theme. So once again, up here, you're going to click Preferences. You're going to change the theme from either Match Device theme or your Fusion Classic to dark blue. Press Apply and OK. Now, if for some reason you don't have these features, all you have to do is update Fusion 360 first. And usually in this notification thing, you can update it from right here. It's pretty loud when it wants you to update. And one more thing, just to think about, is in these settings, in your environment, you can change it to whatever you want. And you can do this on either one of them. So if you wanted to just have this dark Rubicon, you can also have it with the gray setting, the light gray setting. Click Apply and OK. If you like these highly visible and these almost highlighted, you can also do that. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe and also check out some of the other videos I have in Fusion 360. I'll see you for the next one.